my students. Now we are going to discuss about chapter 1 integers. Integers case we are going to discussion doing. First, what is a natural numbers? Natural numbers. Natural numbers means natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers. We call it as a natural number. Which are the counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, etc. We known as a natural number. It is denoted as n is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, etc. This bracket we read it as a flower bracket. It read it as set of 1, 2, 3, etc. Counting numbers we call it as a natural numbers. Next we going to discuss about whole numbers. What about whole numbers? Whole numbers means 0 is added to the natural number. We get a collection of the whole numbers. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. We call it as a whole numbers. It denoted an alphabet W, then set of 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. We call it as a whole numbers. In the natural number, which is the smallest natural number? 1 is the smallest natural number. Which is the greatest natural number? We can't able to tell. Why? Because it is a infinite. It has a infinite numbers there. Then what about whole numbers? Which is the smallest whole number? Asking them 0 is the smallest whole number. Which is the greatest? We can't say which one is the greatest number. Then next, in this chapter we going through learned about integers. What about integers? Integers case, it is a collection of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. We call it as integers. Remember, this chapter we are learned about integers. Integers means it is a collection of positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 we call it as integers. So it denoted an alphabet I. Here set of, here etc means left side moving the negative numbers, -3, -2, -1, 0. Right side going means positive values are getting. In this way getting the collection of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers we known as integers. Integers case, here negative values move far from the 0, values become reducing. Then from 0, positive numbers are far going time, values are increasing there. But negative case, values are reducing there. Which is greatest negative integer? -10 or -1 is greater. Which is the greater negative integer? -1 is greater than the -10. That also. Or another question, another example, -100 or -10 is greater. -10 is greater than the -100. Negative case, values are nearer to the 0, values are increased. Then far from the 0, values are reduced. That one keep in your mind there. These are the integers case. Some rules about integers case. First rule is addition rule. Addition rule. In addition rule, there are 3 rules are there. 2 positive numbers are adding time, we get another positive number. Example, 2 plus 5. 2 is a positive integer, 5 is a positive integer. Both are adding time, 7. 7 is also another positive integer. Next, second rule says that 1 is negative number, other is a positive number. What is the answer? Basis of numbers we are getting. That means first what we want to do, first we subtract and put a big number sign. Afterwards put which is the bigger number. That big number sign we want to keep it on the answer place. Example -10 plus 7. So see here, 10 is a negative integer, 7 is a positive integer. What we want to do, they are opposite sign. Opposite sign case, subtraction do first of all. That one keep in your mind. So 10 minus 7 comes to be how much? 3 is the answer. Subtraction do it. Then which number is bigger, 10 or 7 is bigger? 10 is bigger. Then afterwards you look at the sign, which is sign 10 having carry, which is a negative, and that's where answer become which answer? -3 is the answer. One more example, 20 plus minus 5, 20 plus minus 5. We want to add this number. How to add no, plus or minus change to minus 5. 20 minus 5 comes to be how much? 15 is the answer. One is positive, other is negative. Opposite sign means, remember, subtraction do and put a big number sign. One more example, minus 7 plus minus 7 plus 12, minus 7 plus 12. See, 7 is a negative integer, 12 is a positive integer. Opposite sign numbers, what we want to do, first rule says that, first of all we want to subtract. So 12 minus 7 because how much? 5 is the answer. Then look at the question, in which is the bigger number, 7 or 12 is bigger number, 12 is bigger. Then see the symbol of a 12. 12 is a positive integer, that's why our answer become a positive number. I hope you can understand this. Then one more rule is there, a third rule for addition case. One more rule, third rule says that both are negative numbers. What we want to do, first we add and put a minus sign. Adding to, afterwards we want to keep minus sign. Example, minus 3 plus minus 5. 3 is a negative integer, 5 is a negative integer, both are negative. So same symbol number. So what we want to do, first of all, first we add that number and put the same minus sign. So 5 plus 3 comes to be how much? 8, which is the symbol there, a minus symbol. That's why answer place also you keep a minus sign. Opposite sign case, subtract and do, and bigger number signs keep. Both are negative sign case, add and put a negative symbol. Both are positive number case, also add and put a positive symbol. You need not want to keep it without a positive symbol also, it is understood it is a positive. Now these are the rule related to the addition case. Subtraction case also same as our addition. Just a slight difference here is example, 2 minus of minus 7 in this way coming. Like that time what we want, minus of minus, we read it as a minus of, which operation here? Minus of. Minus of minus comes to be plus 2 plus 7 comes to be how much? 9. Remaining same only. So subtraction is same to the addition rule. Next we go through the multiplication case. In multiplication rule case, here multiplication case, next one is multiplication rule. In multiplication rule case, the first rule, both are positive number. What we want to do, multiply and positive answer will get it. Example, 2 into 7. 2 into 7. First we multiply numbers. 2 sevens are how much? 40, which is the bigger. Then 2 and 7 multiplying time 14 is coming there. 14 is also a positive number. Second rule says that one negative number and one positive number, answer change to a negative answer. Example, minus 3 into plus 5. So 3 into 5 comes to be how much? 15. And answer become which answer? Minus 15 we want to keep, or otherwise in this way. Remember, here minus sign how many times repeat? 1 time. 1 is odd or a even number. Odd case we get answer as a negative answer. Even case we get answer as a positive answer. For another example, then next third rule says that minus into minus both are negative answer. That time it change to a positive answer. Example, minus 7 into minus 3 is equal to, first numbers multiply, 7 3s are how much? 21. Minus change to plus 21. So what generally we can say that odd times negative sign repeat, and we get answer as as a negative answer, negative. Then even times negative sign repeat, sign repeat means we get a answer as a positive answer, answer as positive. Okay, example, one more example, minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 2. This number we want to multiply. So first numbers we want to know 1 into 3, 3 2s are how much? 6. Then here minus sign how many times repeated? 3 times. 3 is odd or a even number? Odd, that's where answer become a minus 6. One more example, minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 4. We want to multiply this negative 4 numbers. 1 into 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are how much? 24. Here minus sign how many times repeated? 4 times. 4 is odd or a even number. 4 is a even number. That's where answer become an even answer. That is the general rule saying. General rule says that odd times minus and repeat means our answer become a negative answer. Even times a negative sign repeated means answer become a positive answer. Here also like that told. Here second rule. Here how many times minus I repeat? 1 time. 1 is odd or even odd. That's why our multiplication case we get answer as a negative. Here how many times minus I repeated? 2 times. 2 is odd or even number? Even. That's where answer become a positive answer. This is the These are the rules related to the multiplication, and then division case same as our multiplication rule here. No, the separate rule is there. So addition and multiplication rule thoroughly you want to learn. Then next you here exercise 1.1. First question later I will give that. Second question onwards I am going to start exercise 1.1. Second question onwards textbook. Second question onwards I am going to start there. So here in this question they given that a boy his name is Jack. Jack attended quiz competition. He attended 5 round. In 5 round he scored score. That score is given in the question there. Question asking what is his final score. That is the mean. He attended a quiz competition. In quiz competition 5 round they asking questions. Then in that 5 round he attempted in time that score they given in that question. Then finally they ask him what is his final score. So here we can write it as a final score is equal to here numbers are given. Here which are the numbers means first score he get 25, second score -5, third score -10, fourth score 15, fifth round score become 10. 25 is the first round score, -5 is the second round score, -10 is the third round score, 15 is the fourth round score, 10 is the fifth round score. In this way they given in the question. So final score they ask you to find out. So second question how we can a final score is equal to what we want to do. Final score how to find all these 5 round scores were adding. So we can add 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10 adding. How to add? Easy way. All positive numbers added, then negative numbers. Which are the positive numbers? 25 plus 15 plus 10. They are the positive numbers added with negative numbers. Which are negative? -5 -10. They are the negative numbers. All positive numbers are 25 plus 15 plus 10 comes to be how much? 50 is the answer. Then plus or minus change to -5. Plus or minus change to -10. Again 50. No, 2 minus sign means 2 negative numbers means the same sign means what we want to do? Add. So 5 plus 10 comes to be how much? 15. Which symbol? minus 15. So 50 minus 50 comes to be how much? 10 minus 5, 5. Then 4 minus 1, 35 is a final. Jack final score become a 35. So I hope you can understand how to get this answer. Then next third question. The third question they tells about Srinagar case. So we go through third question. Third question that tells about in Srinagar, temperature on Monday, temperature on Srinagar is minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Monday, temperature of Srinagar is minus 5 degrees Celsius. And the next day, what happened? The temperature is reduced. That means dropped to 2 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature on the Tuesday? This is the first part of the third question they asking. That's why we can write it as temperature at Srinagar on Monday case we can write. Monday is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. They given that. Then drop in temperature. Drop in temperature. How much degree next day it dropped? Here dropped 2 degrees Celsius. So one thing remember here, drop means decrease. Decrease in value represent as a minus. Then increase in value represent as a positive value. Then here above case represent as a positive symbol. Below case represent as a negative symbol. Then in bank amount deposit represent as positive. Withdrawal means represent as a negative. In sea level, above the sea level represent as positive. Below the sea level represent as a negative. In this way it will we are represent. So drop in temperature is how much degree? Tuesday it dropped 2 degrees Celsius. Our aim is to find out temperature at Srinagar. Temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday they asking. So Tuesday is equal to Monday's temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. How much temperature decrease on Tuesday? 2 minus case which symbol? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Both are negative numbers. What we want to do? Add and put to minus sign. So answer become minus 7 degrees Celsius is the answer. Then next here next day is Wednesday's case. Wednesday what happened means temperature is rising up. Rising up means it will increase in how much degree? 4 degrees Celsius it is increased. That means we can write it as a rise in temperature. How much degree it rise? It rise as a 4 degrees Celsius. So therefore in the second part of the third question they ask what is the temperature at Srinagar on Wednesday. Srinagar on Wednesday is equal to here Tuesday's temperature is how much? Minus 7 degree. How much degree it increase represent as positive. So plus 4 degree. See here one is a negative number, other is a positive number. What we want to do? Subtract. Opposite sign means subtract and put to big numbers. So subtraction do in time 3 which is bigger number, 7 is bigger number, symbol of 7 is minus. So minus 3 degrees Celsius is the answer. So I hope you can understand this third question. Next fourth question they tells about aeroplane is there. In this way aeroplane is there. Aeroplane is there. Yeah. Aeroplane is there. Aeroplane is there. Aeroplane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. Aeroplane is flying. And where it flying above the sea level. They given like that sea level. And in sea level below, one submarine is there. That also here submarine is there. Submarine case it represent as like this way. Submarine is there. There it represent 1200 meter below the sea level. Here also sea level above case, plane is flying above the sea level. That's why we represent as a positive 5000. Submarine floating where it is below the sea level. Below word represent as in which way negative one. That's why we can represent as a minus 1200 meter. So what they asking, what is the vertical distance between plane and the submarine? They asking what is the vertical distance between a plane and the submarine. So we can write it as our fourth question as a vertical distance between vertical distance between plane and submarine is equal to plane case how much height is it flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. Submarine is floating below case here represent as their distance they asking, so minus 1200 meter. Minus change to how much plus 1200. So adding to how much 6200 meter is the vertical distance between plane and the submarine. I hope you can understand. They ask him what is the vertical distance between plane and the submarine. How to do here plane is on the sea level above part, then submarine is the below part. That's why in this way calculation doing and we get the answer. This is the fourth question. Next fifth question they tells about here one person is there, Mohan deposit some amount on the bank. Deposit means plus how much rupees means 2000 rupees he deposit on the bank. Then next day he go to bank and he withdraw some amount, that is 1642 rupees he withdraw from the bank. Then question asking what is the balance amount in his account. So balance amount they ask, how to getting a balance amount. Here deposit amount is subtracted with withdrawal amount. So how much coming 10 minus 2 8, here comes to be 5, here 358 rupees is the balance in his account. I hope you can understand just stepwise. Amount he deposit is equal to how much rupees 2000. Amount he withdrawing amount is equal to rupees 1642. Therefore balance amount they ask to find out. Therefore balance amount is equal to deposit amount 2000 is subtracted with the withdrawal amount. How much will coming in? 358 rupees will getting. I hope you can understand this. Fifth was a small question. Then next case is one girl, Rita here distance moved to first he moved to the east side, then afterwards he moved to the west side. In this way diagram also they given in the question. From the position of A point to here right side part they represent east and left side part they represent the direction west. From A position to B position he moved to the east side. East side represent remember positive value, west side represent negative value. So A to B how much distance means 20 kilometer. So which symbol we represent positive? Why? Because he moving from A position to B position. Which direction? East. East represent as a positive. Then afterwards from B he moves same road alone, same road to the west side. From B to west side he moving. How much distance means 30 kilometer he moved to the west side. 30 west means which symbol we denoted a minus symbol we do. So minus 30 kilometer they are moving to the west. So question asking what is the final position from A? What is the final position from A is the ask. So how to find out west east side how much kilometer 20, west side how much here 30, so minus 30, minus or plus or minus change to how much minus 30. One is positive and the other is a negative. What we want to do, subtract and put mid. So how much kilometer she moved, what is the final position from A? Minus 10 kilometer is the final position, but we want the steps. So how to write the steps? First we can write it as a distance towards east, case how much kilometer? 20 kilometer to represent as a positive. Then distance towards west side, how much distance she moved to the west side? 30 kilometer, but in west side represent a negative value, so minus 30. Then therefore final position from A they ask to find out. A how to find out? 20 plus minus 30 plus or minus change to minus 30. So answer become how much? Minus 10 kilometer is the final answer. I hope you can understand this problem. The remaining topic we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.